Hey there, welcome to the channel where we help you unlock your full potential. Today we're going to talk about how to make a motivational speech like Jordan Peterson. Jordan Peterson is a world-renowned psychologist and speaker who has motivated millions of people around the globe. In this video, we'll be breaking down the 5 steps to making a motivational speech like Jordan Peterson. So let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let me tell you a story. Back in 2017, Jordan Peterson was invited to speak at the University of Toronto. He was there to discuss his stance on political correctness and freedom of speech. When he arrived, he was greeted by a crowd of protesters who were shouting at him and trying to stop him from entering the venue. But, what did Jordan Peterson do? He took a deep breath, walked through the crowd, and delivered his speech flawlessly, inspiring the audience with his words of wisdom. Research shows that motivational speeches have a profound impact on people's lives. They have the power to change the way we think, feel, and act. A study conducted by the Harvard Business Review found that a well-delivered motivational speech can increase productivity, morale, and satisfaction among employees. So, whether you're a leader, a teacher, or just someone who wants to inspire others, mastering the art of motivational speaking can make a significant difference in your life and the lives of others. First, you need to know your audience. You need to understand who you're speaking to and what they care about. Ask yourself, what are their values, interests, and goals? Once you know your audience, you can tailor your speech to resonate with them. For example, if you're speaking to a group of college students, you might want to focus on their aspirations and how to achieve success in their chosen careers. On the other hand, if you're speaking to a group of entrepreneurs, you might want to focus on the challenges of starting a business and how to overcome them. Knowing your audience is key to making a connection with them and motivating them to take action. Second, use storytelling to connect with your audience. Stories are powerful tools that can captivate your audience's attention and make your message more relatable. When you tell a story, you're giving your audience a glimpse into your personal experiences and emotions, which can create a sense of empathy and connection. For example, in one of his speeches, Jordan Peterson talked about how he struggled with depression and addiction in his early years, and how he overcame them. By sharing his personal story, he was able to connect with his audience on a deeper level and inspire them to overcome their challenges. So, the next time you give a speech, start with a story that's relevant to your audience and relates to the message you want to convey. Third, making a motivational speech like Jordan Peterson is to use persuasive language. Your words have the power to influence your audience's thoughts, emotions, and actions. So, it's important to use language that's inspiring, positive, and impactful. For example, instead of saying, "You need to work harder to achieve your goals," try saying, "You have the potential to achieve greatness, and with hard work and dedication, you can make it happen." The latter is a much more persuasive and inspiring message that can motivate your audience to take action. Use language that's positive, motivational, and that speaks directly to your audience's desires and aspirations. Fourth, be passionate. Your passion and energy are contagious, and they can inspire your audience to feel the same way. When you're delivering a speech, make sure you're fully engaged and passionate about what you're saying. Use your body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions to convey your message with conviction. For example, in one of his speeches, Jordan Peterson delivered a powerful message about taking responsibility for your life. He spoke with such passion and conviction that you couldn't help but feel inspired and motivated to take action. So, when you're delivering your speech, make sure your passion shines through and that your audience can feel the energy and enthusiasm you have for your message. Finally, end your speech with a call to action. A call to action is a statement that encourages your audience to take action based on the message you've delivered. It's a powerful tool that can motivate your audience to make real changes in their lives. For example, at the end of his speeches, Jordan Peterson often encourages his audience to take responsibility for their lives and to make positive changes. By doing so, he's inspiring his audience to take action based on his message. So, when you're ending your speech, make sure you include a call to action that's relevant to your message and that motivates your audience to take action. So, there you have it, 5 steps to making a motivational speech like Jordan Peterson. Remember to know your audience, start with a story, use persuasive language, delivered with passion, and end with a call to action. Mastering these steps can help you become a powerful and inspiring speaker who motivates and inspires others to reach their full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow our channel for more inspiring content like this.